Question 8. Electronics and Communication Engineering, Grade 2015 Set 2. The two-port admittance matrix of the circuit shown is given by dash. 4 options are given to us to choose from. For a detailed lecture on this concept, please refer the NPTEL video Lecture 71 Two-Port Networks by Professor Tapas Kumar Bhattacharya, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. Let us have a basic idea about the admittance parameters of a two-port network and then solve this problem. Consider a two-port network as shown in the figure, where V1 is the input voltage at the input port and I1 is the current passing through the input port. We have the voltage V2, that is the voltage across the output port, and I2 is the current that's passing into the output port via this path. The admittance parameters will be I1 is equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, and the output current I2 is equal to Y12 V1 plus Y22 V2. The input admittance Y11 is nothing but the reciprocal of the input impedance, which is equal to the current I1 divided by V1 when V2 is 0. When V2 is 0, it means that the output port is nothing but a short circuit, and we are applying a voltage V1 across the input terminals, and I1 is the current that is passing through it. Therefore, I1 splits into two paths. One is through the 10 ohm, the other one is through the 5 ohm into the short. No current flows into the 10 ohm resistor. Therefore, Y11 is equal to 1 divided by 10 ohm in parallel with 5 ohm. This is equal to 50 divided by 15. This is 3 divided by 10, which is 0.3. Y11 is equal to 0.3. From the options, two options have Y11 as 0.3. We have to find out the value of Y12 in order to find out if option A or option D is correct. Let's find out Y12 now. Y12 will be I1 divided by V2 when V1 is 0. Now we are short circuiting the input port to make V1 0, and we are supplying the voltage V2 from the output port. The current I2 will travel into this circuit, and this will divide into two paths. One is through the 10 ohm resistor and the other one is through the 5 ohm resistor. I1 will be the current through the 5 ohm resistor, which is equal to voltage divided by the resistance. So this is V2 divided by 5 ohm whole divided by V2, which is 1 by 5. Therefore, Y12 is equal to 0.2. Therefore, option A is correct. We can simply mark the answer as option A and proceed to the next one, but still let us verify if Y21 and Y22 are correct. Y21 will be the output current I2 divided by the input voltage V1 when V2 is equal to 0. So we are short circuiting the output port to make V2 0, and we are supplying voltage V1 via the input port. So I1 will be this current and I2 will be this current. The current that is flowing through this 5 ohm resistor. I2 is equal to V1 divided by 5 ohm, and this implies that Y12 is V1 by 5 ohm divided by V1, which is equal to 0.2. In a similar fashion, we can find out the value of Y22 and check if it is 0.3. The correct answer is option A. Y11 is 0.3, Y12 is 0.2, Y21 is 0.2 and Y22 is 0.3.